Phew! Look at the size of these guys. Brah. I'm gonna catch mine with the lure, guys. Oh, yep! Oh my, that was... It is currently like 3:30, so plan is, it's been a while catching Akule, so let's try to catch at least more than one this time. Because my first video, bro, I only caught, it was sad. So this is redemption. If I don't catch more than one and I only catch one, then I'm cursed at this place. Holy guacamole. Look at this. Oh. That's a big one. That's a big one. I just need one more. You got what I want. Akule indeed. Oh, I didn't light up my rub. Oh, you're on. You're on. Yeah. Set that hook. Let's not make it too tight. There's a lot of people here, so I don't really want to chicken tikka masala. Holy moly, dude, they're dozers. Dozers. Hey guys, Akule's not biting. The big boys are out. Yeah! You never like come today, too tired.
I mean, are you kidding me?
How did this happen, man?
Much later.
I'm gonna catch mine with the lure, guys.
an Ulua, brah.
Holy. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh my, that was... lure. Oh, that bit close. Whew. I'm like right here too. Yeah, let's go. Omilu. Holy moly. Omilu. Oh my goodness, that was the fastest fight in the world. Yo! Yo! Pops, I told you they're biting. Come on, brother. Singles. First fish. That was like first cast. And just like that, the hook came off. Holy moly. It bit right at the shoreline. Oh, shoot. Hey, that's the first fish off the Saltiga. Keep him. Oh, yeah. Holy moly. Bro, that was sick. That was sick. Off the lure. So this is the stuff. This is the catch of the today. 2 sandy akules and 1 probably a good size 8-pounder Omilu. But that thing bit like so close. I don't even know how. And just like that, first time catching Omilu. First time I caught an Omilu was here. And then this year, first time of the year, catching an Omilu again. Whew. Here, Pops. You see? Let's go. The fastest fight in the world. Caught this beautiful Omilu. Well, I guess that's it for the video. Omilu shirt with the Omilu. Let's call it a day, guys. I reckon 8 pounds. Oh, it's gonna snap, I think. Oh, oh, that was correct. 8 pounds. 8 pounds. Ah. Right on. Thank you, my brah. Brah. Can we take the time to appreciate the colors on this fish? Oh my goodness. Such a beauty. Such a fight. And along with that, we have gotten some massive akules. Oh shoot. Oh man, sorry buddy. We got massive and not so massive akule. Look at the size of these. And one tape. Bruh, the size of this akule is huge. Look at that. Monster sizes. That's the catch. That's the catch right there. Ew. what a morning. It's only 6 o'clock. It was biting. Akule was biting. Then all of a sudden, blow-ups was happening. Everyone switched, flying their baits. And then Akule wasn't biting no more. And then after that, that guy caught one. And then I got a bird nest. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to use the lure. For some reason, if I'm going to catch the GT, I got to catch it off a lure. Probably out dunk at night. But daytime, morning, I've got to try. I'm trying to catch with the lure. So yeah, that's the goal. Off the lure, any lure, and then hopefully, if it's 20 pounds and under, I release. If it's past 20 pounds, I'm gonna gayutaku it and hang it on my wall, and that's the plan. Well, that's it for this video. Caught a wide variety of fish, and that's it. Thank you for embarking with me on this journey. But part of the journey is yet. Have a good one, guys.